Hey, what's going on, guys? In my last video we have seen how to create a website, and also we created a title, like this is the title, and whenever we put as something extra we put a lot and it appears in the on top as shown as here. Okay, this is our web page, and we have something here, and that's it. We have this one blank. Now in this video what we are going to do is we are going to see how we can add something in this website actually. Now in order to do that, now let's look at the body first. Body is basically you can type something inside the website. Now in order to do that, I type body right here, body, and whenever we type something we had to always close that in HTML. So make sure you close this one. To close this one you have to put a backslash and then body, type the body again, and it's closed. Now you can just type something in the body. I am in the body, and I have to close this one as well. Okay, now I am in the body and I save this one, and when I open the website you can see we are getting I am in the body in the website. Now not only this, we can do something more than this as well, like we can add header. To add header it's simple. We have to just inside the body we have to put just h1 mean header 1, and then close this one and then close the header completely by typing \h and then complete it here, and you type something here. Let's say the world ends in 2022. Okay, now I'm gonna save this one, and then when I open the web page, okay, something wrong here. Okay, I don't know why this one is not in the blue color. Okay, I didn't put h1 here, that's the problem. Okay, now I put h1, save this one again, and then run this one again. Now you can see when we put the header it's bigger and bolder. The body becomes just a normal text. Now let's see what happens if we add one more header over here. Now copy this one exactly as it is and then paste it down here and just change h1 into h2 and save this one, and then when we open this one, let's see what happens. Now you can see this is our header 1, that's pretty big and bold, and then header 2, that's kind of big and kind of it's bold, and then we have the body texture, that's actually a normal letter. That's all in this video. I'm gonna do more in my next video. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Thanks for watching. See you guys in my next video.